Entry number 56, University of Nueva Cáceres, Corps and Staff. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Vincent M. Cabañas, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Francis Deo R. Roquid, S1. Cadet Major Giancarlo Gonzaga, S2. Cadet Major John Christian P. Plaza, S3. Cadet Major Felix Evibar Dakara, S4. Cadet Major Kenneth Paul Sanduco, S7. Major Leader Kimberly Dipala. Band Leader Ray Joseph P. Ruaring. Company Commander Cadet Major Michael R. Lilunia. Company XO Cadet Major Francia R. Pook. First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet Major Kyle Francis C. Santillan. Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet Major Lorel R. Panaay. ROTC Facilitator Major Lord Philippine Army. Band Major Trainer Janet Aquino. Grandmaster Trainer Carl Ariel Espausto, Mark Stephen Briones. Entry number 56, University of Nueva Cáceres, Naga City. Thank you. Entry number 56, University of Nueva Cáceres, Naga City. Next entry.